Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the Forex Daily Video Research. Today the 22nd of October and we will continue to trade the euro currency. Well, yesterday I said that the euro is in trading environment right now and there is no any meaningful and solid trading signals that is worth it to be taken for the trading. Personally, I was flat yesterday, and yesterday we discussed some levels that market can achieve during the previous trading session. So that has happened. Market has accomplished the 618 expansion against us. Look at this pattern that we discussed yesterday. A, B, C bottom, 618 market hit it with agreement with deep Fibonacci resistance 786 from this high to this low. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. Well, today I think that market is continuing to be in the trading environment, so we can possess ourselves only in intraday trading for the possible some trades that is based on trend indicators. So there are no any directional patterns or something more interesting that could be taken for the high probability trading. But today I have some ideas that has appeared due to previous trading session that I would like to share with you. First of all, market has reached the 786 resistance area. The agreement was 618, and now there are one of the possible scenarios that market can start to move to the downside. One thing that worries me be this is MACD predictive failure on the 4-hour chart. Usually it means that market can reestablish the new highs. How deep this movement can be, who knows, but in general market can reach this area or even 88% resistance area somewhere around 141. This also we can't exclude it, but for my idea there crucial level is the previous highs. Market should not take the previous highs for my idea will still be in place. What is an idea? I will tell you a bit later. Well, look at this. If market hold this area, look at this pattern: A, B, C top, and the nearest target that I think that should be achieved 618 expansion from this ABC top pattern precisely at weekly pivot support 1 that has been already touched once around 137.63. That coincides with the also deep Fibonacci support area 786 from this low to this high. This is a critical moment. Well, for this scenario market should hold the previous highs. They shouldn't be taken by the price. Now let's take a look on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart we see something like head and shoulders pattern, okay, and the more important market currently below the weekly pivot point again. So this is some probability that market can reach one of these areas of support that agrees with different Fibonacci expansion from this A, B, C top pattern. That's 100% expansion directly at 618 support from this low to this high. Okay, 127 expansion directly at our level of 786 support and weekly pivot support 1, and the more extended target is 1618. This coincides with 88 Fibonacci support area. Why I talk about these levels and what we can expect from the market. Now I would like to show you my idea that I expect that can possibly be forming. Let's look at the 4-hour chart again, but from the different point of view. This is the possible butterfly on the 4-hour chart. Look at this. This move up has been held by 786 resistance. That was very typical for the butterfly. if market will hold below the weekly pivot point right here, that I do not have it on this chart to clearly show you the butterfly pattern, and make this move to the 786 support, this will be the perfect butterfly pattern. And you know the target of the butterfly 127 expansion is around 142.82, and extended target 1618 could be around 144.46. Also 1618 target coincides with our next weekly Fibonacci expansion target that we discussed in the weekly research. If you do not remember it, I suggest you reread this analysis, and you will see that this is the strong weekly resistance area that coincides with 127 weekly Fibonacci expansion target. Also, if market will show the 1618 butterfly, this will be the target for the butterfly sell around 124.46. So this will be the solid resistance. For this scenario to come true, we need a couple of moments. First of all, market should not exceed the previous highs, although I can't exclude that market can reach, for example, 141 area. This is absolutely normal for the butterfly. This penetration inside this swing down can be more deep, around 88. And one thing that allows me to think so, this is the MACD predictive failure that I showed you on the first chart right here. Here is this signal, so possibly market can establish the new highs. Okay, but market should not move above these highs. Then, if market will show the move to the downside and reach 786, also market should hold the previous lows. So this swing should be in touch for the butterfly pattern come in place. Okay, this is my idea for the currently on the euro currency. You can take some intraday trades, for example, on the hourly chart. If you see some signs of weakness in this area around 139.80, around this area is around the weekly pivot point, possibly you can sell for one of these targets. This is up to you, but in general you can do nothing. You can wait until market will reach this area. Possibly you can buy in this area for the target of the butterfly around 127 first. This will be a nice trade if the market will show some interesting moments right here. Possibly you can do nothing, just wait when the butterfly is forming and will be completed to enter the market. All depends from your level of risk taken. Just keep it reasonable, and I offer you to track this pattern because it's very interesting. Possibly it will realize well.